criteria to come and lead us in the rest of.
Myself and Deden Duale are here, and my colleagues.
Your Excellency.
The work of the security forces, reactions specifically on
all security agencies present and all invited leaders.
Kwa sababu mahali imefika, it cannot continue like this. Whatever it is going to take, now going forward, whatever it's going to take, we are going to take decisive, firm action, because it is not possible. Tuelewane kabisa, na mimi nimesema tukubaliane, ndio kusiwe na watu watakao sema eti ilienda ikarudi ikakaa hapana, kwa sababu matatizo ya Lamu hayako kwa wananchi, matatizo yako kwa viongozi.
Our request is that the incitement, if our brothers and sisters in the political space can help us by talking to communities, so that the various communities in Lamu do not fall into the trap of terrorists, which is to divide the people and to create a wedge among the communities living there.
Elsewhere, in North Rift, things have cooled down after the political leadership has come on board. And our security officers have done whatever should be done. And what is remaining is a contribution of the political leadership.
I want to give you an assurance that as the leadership, we take what you have told us very seriously. There are issues in Lamu. I shall arrange and come again and sit with you and tell you how we believe we can sort some of these issues.